Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to full-fledged problems of salary. Mr. X is a physically handicapped person working in ABC Company Limited, Bangalore. So he's working in Bangalore. Has furnished the following details of his income for the year 2022-23. Compute his income from salary for the assessment year 23-24. So they have given his basic salary is 40,000 per month. So we will write that basic salary is 40,000 per month into 12 months, 4,80,000. Next, DNS allowance which enters into retirement benefits is 24,000 per month. So 24,000 per month into 12 months will be 2,88,000. Next, fixed percentage of commission on sales 15,000 per month. So commission on sales is getting 15,000 per month. So 15,000 per month into 12 will be 1,80,000. Next, bonus. The total bonus whatever he has got is 65,000. So total bonus is 65,000. Next, HRA. So house rent allowance he is receiving 12,500 and the rent paid is 10,600. So now we have to calculate the HRA. So this is a table to calculate HRA. So first we will take actual HRA received. So total he is receiving house rent allowance 12,500 per month into 12 months, that is 1,50,000. So that will be first exemption, that is 1,50,000. Second is excess of rent paid. So total he is paying rent 10,600 per month into 12 months over 10% of salary. So for this purpose we have to calculate salary. So basic salary is 4,80,000. DA which enters into retirement benefits is 2,88,000 plus fixed percentage of commission is 1,80,000. So all these three I need to add. I will get a total salary that is 9,48,000. I need to take 10% of that, which is 94,800. So rent paid, here the rent paid is 10,600 into 12 months, which is 1,27,200 minus 94,800 will be 32,400. That is our second exemption. Third exemption, he is staying in Mysuru. Mysuru is a place in Karnataka, and for Karnataka it is not considered as, a metropolitan city in the IT laws. So 40% of the salary will be considered. So total salary is 9,48,000 into 40% will be 3,79,200. Out of these three, whichever is lesser, least will be given as exemption. So least is 32,400. So that will be given as exemption. So from 1,50,000, if you subtract 32,400, the remaining amount is taxable, that is 1,17,600. So that I should write it here, 1,17,600. Next, transport allowance 4,000 per month. So transport allowance is 4,000 per month. Since the person is handicapped, so only for handicap or specially disabled person, they will give an exemption up to 3,200 per month. So since he is an handicapped, so there's again exemption for him 3,200 per month. So total 4,000 per month into 12,000 was a transport allowance he received. So total 48,000 he received. So exemptions are given 33,200. So 3,200 into 12 months is 38,400. So the total difference is 9,600. That will be considered into the tax purpose. Reimbursement of medical expenses 2,500 for treatment taken in private hospital. So 2,500 medical expenses that has to be shown here. Next, management contribution and own contribution to RPF is 15% of salary. And the interest credited to RPF is 11,000 at 11% per annum. Okay, first let us calculate H point. So now we have to calculate RPF. Okay, that is the second note. Yes. So total salary. So salary for the purpose of RPF is same. Whatever we have found out here, 9,48,000. So the Both the employer is contributing as well as employee is contributing. But for the purpose of calculating the taxable RPF, only the employer's contribution will be taken into consideration. So total salary is 9,48,000. On that 15% is 1,42,200. According to the IT laws, 12% till 12% the exemption will be given. So 9,48,000 to 12% is 1,13,760. So from 1,42,200, if 1,13,760 is exempted, the remaining amount is 28,440. That is a taxable contribution of employer to RPF. Okay, so that we will write it over here, 28,440. So next what they have told, interest credited to RPF is 11,000 at 11% per annum. So he has got the interest also on that. So it is 11,000. But according to IT law, till 9.5% the exemption will be given. So 11,000 into 9.5 divided by 11%, that is 11. If you do, you get 9,500. So out of 11,000, 9,500 is exempted. The remaining 1,500 is taxable. So that is the taxable interest credited to RPF. So that 1,500, I will write it over here. Next, okay, where is it? Where? Yes, professional tax paid by the employer, that we will consider in deductions. He is provided with more than 1.6 liter capacity car by company for official use. So when the car is used for official use, then it is tax free. So let me check. Yes, it is tax free because it is used for official purpose. Next, he has got the children educational allowances 600 per month per child for 2 children, and hostel allowance is 1,000 per month for 2 children. So children education allowance 600 he is getting for one child and he has 2 children. So for 12 months he is getting, which is 14,400. So according to IT laws, he will get the exemption for 2 children. That is 100 rupees per child. He will get the exemption for 2 children for 12 months. So 100 per child into 2 children into 12 months will be 2,400. So out of 14,400, if 2,400 is given as exemption, the remaining 12,000 is taxable. Next, he is even given the hostel allowance. According hostel allowance, he has received 1,000 as hostel allowance per child, and he has 2 children. So for 12 months, he has got hostel allowance. But according to income tax law, exemption will be given only till 300 rupees per child for only 2 children. So he can avail the exemption 300 per child into 2 children into 12 months, which is 7,200. Total, he has received 24,000 as allowance. In that 7,200, he has got exemption. So the remaining 16,800 will be taxable. When you add everything, his gross salary will be 12,01,440. Again, under section 16, you will get three types of deduction. So the first deduction is standard deduction. So for all employees, the standard deduction is 50,000. Second is entertainment allowance. Entertainment is only for government employees. So here he is not a government employee, so we will not give that deduction. Third one, he has paid professional tax 400 rupees per month. So total 12 months he has paid. So 4,800 is the total professional tax he has paid. Again, he will get deduction on that. So the total deductions which he is applicable is 55,400. So from 12 lakh 1,440, if 55,400 is given as deduction, then his total taxable salary will be 11 lakh 46,040 rupees. So this is a total taxable salary. If you have any doubt in this problem, please put your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Hope you have understood this video very well. In my next videos, I'll come back with some more problems related to full-fledged problems on salaries. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.